Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat audio. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat audio, you should just go to settings as you see. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this page you will search about this window of Snapchat and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will enter to force stop. Then we click here OK. Then you will enter to this window of storage. Here we go to click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.